and gentlemen, good day and welcome to the iStreet Network Limited's Investors Conference Call to discuss vision and performance of the company. As a reminder, all participant lines will be in the listen-only mode, and there will be an opportunity for you to ask questions after the presentation concludes. Should you need assistance during the conference call, please signal an operator by pressing star then 0 on your touchtone phone. Before we proceed on this call, let me remind you that the discussion may contain forward-looking statements that may involve known and unknown risks, uncertainties, and other factors. It must be viewed in conjunction with our businesses that could cause further results, performance, or achievement to differ significantly from what is expressed or implied by such forward-looking statements. The iStreet Network Limited's management team is represented by Mr. Uttam Dave, Mr. Rakesh Rathi, and Mr. Aditya Poddar. I now hand the conference over to Mr. Uttam Dave for his opening remarks. Thank you, and over to you, sir.
Thank you. Good afternoon, everyone. Thank you for joining, and I think this is important because while all of you are seeing what's there on the website and the BAC, we are generally updating all the financials and whatever we progress. But all the questions are valid, and let me start with some of the queries we've been getting constantly, and also I really want to share what we are all about. And so here, the first thing I really want to say is that why iStreet happened and how it happened, and why we are all together, who am I, and how we connected all this ecosystem, and why...
Excuse me, sir. Sir, I'm sorry to interrupt you. You're sounding a little bit low. Can you come closer to the device and speak, please?
Yeah. Can you hear me?
Sir, it's still the same, actually. Participants are asking you to come closer and speak.
Is this okay now? Is it audible?
Yes, sir.
All right. Sorry about it. So I hope, so I'll just repeat probably just in a minute that one of the purpose of this update is why and how iStreet happened, and how we all gathered, and what is our journey and what are we doing. Of course, it starts with me, and I just briefly explain who am I and what I've done in my life. Of course, some of you have seen my LinkedIn and you know what I am. But practically, there are few elements of my life which actually created this iStreet. Of course, very briefly, I left home very early. At an age at about 14, and that experience gave me everything between that 14 to 21, where I got very close to spirituality, nationality, business expansion, and worked with various gurus in various verticals as well as spiritual. I personally feel that spiritual, anybody can be spiritual not by going to temples, but their experiences, personal experiences and others' experiences, which actually helps you to go towards that path. And of course, religion plays a role, but if I would have born in any religion, what human content I have, and whether I would have been doing the same thing which I am doing today. So that's my in-house ecosystem that even after a lot of struggle at early age, I used to ensure that what is the way we can solve a problem for myself and others. And that was basically either through spirituality, either through putting an action intent or civic sense. And also I used to always think that if somebody is earning 1,000 rupees, by one way, can we add 2-3 people more and make it 2,000 and he earns more? Because that is how I sustain myself between that 14 to 21, that without somebody funding me, if I am living outside, how will I create that wealth? Not only just taking that money, but making that money use. And that too, not taking from someone, use my talent to do some business. And that's why I had various experiences early age, whether through stock market, event management, medical, filling capsules. So sales became my core because it started as a survival to earn something to sustain, but it became a very unique capability because I always used to go very deep. That ये capsule जा रहा है तो क्यों जा रहा है? Why people are consuming it? Not that it's not maybe I'm making some 20% or whatever. So anyway, this is my clear business sense, which is where I started evolving. And that's where technology came into my life because I always used to see very early that how technology can ease people's lives. Whether a person sitting selling vegetable on the street, why is he sitting on the same street and selling? Why can't he move around, or why he should stay so that he earns more? And whether technology can do something. I think all of us experienced COVID. I'm sure we lost many of our dear ones, but that actually gave us strength of technology. That how sabzi wala ecosystem se leke even your banking, everything ran while people stuck, all of them are at home, right? And that's where India evolved in technology, and that is why I feel that I have lot to give to the world because not spirituality, nationality also, the colors of the flag itself gave me that feeling that you're orange or green, but then why are people do different? So, but I only felt that everybody had a content. Our population was always a strength and weakness war. Where I say strength because we are 140 crore brains and we deliver a lot of things to the world. And on technology, we were very early, and there are a lot of big people who create big companies got created in India. But it required a lot of power. Not that we created 100 unicorns in this technology space. The reason is, of course, we have to get a lot of brain together, assemble and make something very unique to the world. And that's where today, if you see our mentorship, we have some of the big people who have been working on AI technologies for over 20 years, machine learning for over 20 years. And it's not that we are something new. We don't know this world. We know this world because globally we have managed this kind of customers across. And I will simply आपको समझाऊंगा what is AI. But then this is where I see how it happened is while my experiences gave me a lot of power to run the business with my business idea, but it definitely required a huge capital to actually excel in some of the big ideas, because nothing happens without the money power and people's faith. And if you are in the right journey, both will flow. And that is where I have partnered with Rakesh ji because we go a long way. And there are promoters who form the company. And if you see some of the IPOs which are really shaping up in last few months, promoters are not in the game. So really shape it up in a big way. And that is where we come as a different that I really own it up. I really want to take it to the best journey. And why I see it? Because it was, of course, one of the previous owner was holding this company in a listed form. But I have this vision that why inflate and play something different. Today some of the listing just happens. Some of the IPOs, the opening happens at 300, 200. The various values, right? But then some of them are stagnant at those values. Why? Because the price are already inflated. जब 300 रुपया जब हुए ही नहीं है तो तुम पहुंचा दिए तो ये काम नहीं होने वाला है ना. मतलब देन जब एक्चुअल वैल्यू आएगा तभी लोग आपको वैल्यू देंगे. So that is where we felt that let's go for a very clean and organic flat company where we can grow it from the ground and give a best journey, because वहाँ से सब मेरे हाथ में. वहाँ से we will create how to create that platform. And if anything goes wrong, I am responsible. And that is why I want to be in the game. And that is how I see it happen, that okay, let's create a weapon along with Rakesh ji. That of course, I have worked with various VC firms and वो सबसे हमने काफी कुछ startup ecosystem चलाया. And technology was my core because it's not that technology did not make difference. I was a part when the internet revolution happened. I was a part when WeChat came into the world. I was a part when dot-com boom happened. The biggest of the VC funds came into India. I knew most of those guys, the Sequoias and Avenders those days, because they used to understand my business capability even when I was small. And I had an exposure of meeting even big resumes like Ratan Tata ji, Dhirubhai Ambani ji, stars like Amitabh Bachchan ji, and that was not that it was my hobby. It was like I was just getting through that and also learning those early age experience through these big guys. So here, iStreet happened, and this is where I felt that the company, the questions which keep coming in, I'm sure, are all valid, and I think it needs an answer here. What are we doing with all these companies putting together? iStreet, just to give you one thing, we are creating a AI delivered company, a Sanjeevani of AI. AI delivered means last 15 years ऐसा नहीं है कि लोगों ने AI में काम नहीं किया. There are a lot of companies which came, but they could not be successful, and the reason was there was no collective strength. Although the idea was great, but either it required money or it required a customer. As government, they might push a lot of things that startup so we will fund, we will waive off taxes, everything. But it's the business कौन देगा? Somebody has to give them, and business कौन बड़ा customer देगा? Whether a biggest bank will give him a business, or whether a big financial institute, or whether a big government will give him a business. No. He has to prove, even if he is a 35, 40-year veteran in the industry. And that is what I have done in my life. But I have gone through all this, and I have understood that ये बनाने के लिए we require a good public space company where people's trust is more important, and not only in India, global trust. Because in this journey of observability or AI space, we have a network of people who are across globally placed. And you can see some of the people, if I name T. Padmanabhan ji, who was chief architect for Pinnacle or the core banking system Infosys design. Then Gopal Krishna ji, who is the one who is advising us, but he is the one who designed cyber security policy for the RBI, and the report is under his name. It's the Gopal Krishna Committee report name. The recent director Bageshwar ji, he was a vigilance and compliance from RBI, and being a CGM, he worked very closely with the banks on regulatory. So we are also packing the right people of the top, so that even if on the business हम जर्नी में कहीं आगे पीछे भी हो जाते हैं, तो लोग हमको गाइडेंस करते रहे, और ये सारे अच्छे लोग हैं जो हमको गाइड करें. And then now recently you would have seen Shailesh Chitri got onboarded. And if you see the media brief or the marketing, how we are doing the campaign, Shailesh Chitri comes with the insights and commodity exchange background and agri depth. So we are packing it in a way where, and then Ravi Betiji, who comes with the NBFC strong background. And similarly, there are more who will get added in future, how we are scaling up in our journey. But I want to make sure, again, that in my personal journey, I always get gurus in life. Because, of course, some of them have reached and scaled in their life, and some of them deserve to be somewhere else. But we all know अच्छे आदमी कहाँ तक जाते हैं. So I think I want to really power that with my personal experiences of my life. And the gap I have seen is the world do admire the Indian talent, but इसको monetize कैसे करें? Because today you have seen what Trump has been doing, and that is not what I want to play into politics world. I am delivering something for the world through this stalwart. We are creating a very, very strong AI delivered organization where I am not only gathering functional experts, domain experts, researchers, engineers, designers, storytellers, implementers. This is not that they are new. They are all experienced into their vast fields with good resumes, and this is where I feel that जब मैं छोटा था, where I used to connect a lot of people and do something very unique. And that is why even that day people used to come and ask me कि कैसे करें. I used to be very surprised कि मुझे क्यों पूछ रहे. But then I think that is where I felt that I think if I could not make something, I can definitely create something for a lot of people. And that is where I have reached this stage by growing in my life. And iStreet partnerships or strategic partnerships which we have aligned, which is like some of the companies which you can see on the website, and the questions which I am seeing, which is Indie Astra, Indie, and Labs, Heal. So I'll just give you a very brief on this, that first of all of this company I ran as a sales campaigner when I was part of this company. So I've been part of this company I've ensured that the business grows in these companies. I've ensured that we go through the hardship and the happiness journey of the customers. And that is where we work with multi-layered company, functional companies like agri or even a financial system like banking, government. And we've seen the depth around this and how the businesses could run. But the fact is that where we were lacking or where we thought that it's not us, it's people who are failing, or maybe people with the skill and experience is where the challenge comes. For example, what is AI? आज मैं आपको सिंपल टर्म में बताता हूँ कि वी ऑल एलिमेंट के लिए डॉक्टर के पास जाते हैं. अब देयर आर डॉक्टर्स हु विल से ओके फीवर है, यू गिव 4 मेडिसिन इन जस्ट ओके हो गया. बट व्हाई देयर आर स्पेशलिस्ट who can actually see or get into a root cause के यार क्या होने वाला है. Why there are experts? Because there are experts and skill. Both when they come together, maybe you can avoid that बीमारी before time, right? Or maybe it might cost X, but it is the best thing which can happen, right? So that is where when all of doctors come together, they can design something different, right? And that is where I am coming from. That we are coming from the top layer of this experience, whether it is on AI, whether it is on observability, whether it is on any platform, where the experience is at topmost richness, and at the same time skill is where the challenge was, where we could see that other, for example, when the public sector bank, when I am delivering some solution to manage UPI, जैसे आप सब UPI यूज करते हो, कई बार फेल होता है, डिले होता है, कई बार तो ये नुकसान है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आपका बैंक अकाउंट में जो आपका अकाउंट है, बैंक वहाँ पे उसके सामने कॉस्ट लगाता है कि बहुत ये उत्तम दवे है, ये उत्तम दवे का अकाउंट मैनेज करने में मुझे साल का 1000 रुपये लगता है, या ये एक आदमी में इसके चलाने के 1200 लगता है. तो दीज कॉस्ट इज वेयर एवरीथिंग इज एम्पलीफाइड. एंड इसी में हमने टेक्नोलॉजी में वी प्लेड विद ऑल ऑफ दिस. वी फेल्ट दैट वी नीड a unique integration. IndiAstra is a very unique MOU. There is a restriction in sharing a lot of details around this because this is a MOU signed between Indigen and IndiAstra and the defense, where we are working something very important for the country's security. Where you guys have seen the Nepal incident, you've seen the recent incident, how Delhi rocked, and all this will increase if we don't manage it through technology. Because without technology, our country got saved. But हमने सबने रामायण में देखा था कि how people through arrow people used to win the war. But today drones we can see on the TV how drones are fighting and how we are winning and losing. But that is where technology will play a major part in every sector. So Astra becomes arm for the defense, where we are trying to do something very special, and it is going to be a very big thought around it, because not only about the India as a use case, it may go worldwide. Second, of course, is Indigen Labs. Indigen Labs is where the entire AI ecosystem started working for last 10-12 years at backend. Although we didn't name, but we created a lab where for last 10 to 15 years we've gathered a lot of minds and we are creating a lot of use cases. For example, जो एग्री पे हमने बात एग्री में हमारा एक गोल है कि फार्मर, एक जो फार्मर है उसको अपने 1 एकड़ लैंड से क्या पैसा बनना चाहिए और उसकी फसल वेस्ट नहीं होनी चाहिए. जो हम देखते हैं पेपरों में कि ऑनियन सड़ रहे एक्सेस हो गया, आलू सड़ रहे एक्सेस हो गया, और जो यूपी का लोग आ रहे या कोई भी रीजन से आ रहे वो वहाँ पे सरसों लगा रहे हैं, यहाँ पे ड्राइविंग कर रहे हैं. तो जब लैंड तुमको इतना सब दे सकता है तो इसको प्रेडिक्टिविटी लाने के लिए डेटा चाहिए. वो है हमारे पास, एंड दैट इज हाउ वी आर है. ऐसा नहीं है कि हमारे पास सारा, हमारी जो स्किल है कि सारे डेटा को एक साथ या सारी चीज़ों को एक साथ जोड़ के कैसे उसको जो चाहिए वो मिले. वो वेदर का डेटा मिलेगा या कमोडिटी एक्सचेंज से मिलेगा या कंजम्पशन का मिलेगा. तो ये जर्नी है, ये सारे में एग्री में हम जा रहे हैं. वैसे ही हील जो है वो ऑब्जर्वेबिलिटी है. दैट इज वेयर हमने टेक्नोलॉजी वाइज बैंकों को फेलियर जो होते थे पहले वो रुके, उसके बाद स्लोनेस रुका, और आज प्रेडिक्टेबिलिटी आना जरूरी है बैंक में. फॉर एग्जाम्पल कुछ फेल होने वाला है तो आज ही पता चलना चाहिए। आज हम सब रेस्टलेस है, जैसे आज हम मूवी टिकट बुक करते हैं बुक माई शो या कहीं से भी, अगर वो नहीं चल रहा हम दूसरी साइड पे चले जाते, दैट इज अ स्ट्रेट बिजनेस लॉस टू एनीबडी। और एंड ये तो ठीक है बिजनेस पे हो गया, बट ह्यूमन लॉस भी है। फॉर एग्जाम्पल प्रेग्नेंट लेडी इन अ रिमोट विलेज इन तमिलनाडु, if she wants to communicate to someone on a voice-based system, we all know how Alexa works, but on a voice-based system, here I am on a 7-month pregnancy, I am in a real pain and I need help. So this should reach to the important person, and she should, or in her language somebody should attend. So our biggest strength is we have covered all the languages, and we have today the engineers or the architects like Vihang is right now world number 2 on AI modules, LLM creation or language, which is not only technology. ये सारे use cases जो मैं बता रहा हूँ प्रेगनेंट लेडी वगैरह, ये सारी इंफॉर्मेशन को इकट्ठा करके कैसे उसको आंसर दे। तो ये जर्नी जो मैंने पहले भी AGM के टाइम में बताई थी कि AI इज लाइक अ रेल ट्रैक, ये चलने वाला है, ये हम चले जाएंगे, हमारे बच्चे जो हैं उसके बाद भी चलेगा, सब कुछ चलेगा, बिकॉज दिस इज वेयर मोर एंड मोर एक्यूरेसी विल कम। कि अगर आपको इंश्योरेंस खरीदना है तो कैसे खरीदना है। आज हम सब 25 इंश्योरेंस लेके बैठते हैं, और उसका कारण है कि या तो सेल्समैन अच्छा होता है या हमको समझ नहीं है, तो हमारे पास में खुद के साथ 25 LIC पॉलिसी होगी। तो बट देन इफ कैन आई प्रेडिक्ट एक वॉइस बेस में मैं उत्तम हूँ, ये मेरे लास्ट मेडिकल रिपोर्ट है, अब इसमें मेरे को बताओ कि मैं क्या इंश्योरेंस लेना चाहिए। तो ये एक ही मिनट में ये AI COE जो हम बनाने जा रहे हैं, इट इज गोइंग टू बी लाइक the collection of information of personal to the government, where we will be able to predict in that center that okay, कोई भी आज मैं कोई भी रूप में आऊँ कि भाई मैं फार्मर हूँ, मेरी यहाँ पे सतारा में फसल है और मुझे क्या करना चाहिए इस साल में, वो एक वर्चुअल रूप में उसको पूरा ए सेंटर में बताएंगे कि ये ऐसा होगा और ये होना चाहिए। एंड दैट इज वेदर स्टेट गवर्नमेंट, वेदर corporate, all will benefit, and that is where the language barrier will also go, because again मैं जब छोटा था सोचता था कि यार आदमी में दिमाग इतना है, but because he doesn't know English, he is getting limited to do business. और इंग्लिश हम 200 साल पहले ज़्यादा सीख लिए, but that's fine, this is needed to run the world, but practically this is where this skill comes into picture. So all indigenous use cases, whether it is medical, whether it is defense, whether it is on banking side, और HEAL, which is observability, जो हम सारे बैंकों में ऑलरेडी हम कर चुके हैं। लाइक मोस्ट ऑफ दिस पब्लिक सेक्टर एंड प्राइवेट बैंक्स आर customers under these labels for almost close to more than a decade on technology predictability. And just एक छोटा सा थॉट, ये हम क्या करें बैंकों में, फॉर एग्जाम्पल कोई इश्यू आता है तो जो एक छोटा बच्चा होता है, हमारा ही बच्चा कोई बैंक ज्वाइन कर रहा है, खाली मॉनिटर करते रहता है, तो मॉनिटर करके उसको उतना तो नहीं समझ में आता है कि टेक्नोलॉजी में कहाँ इसको फेलियर हो रहा है। बट इमेजिन आई एम क्रिएटिंग एलेक्सा काइंड ऑफ अ चैटबॉट वेयर आई एम जस्ट पुटिंग, ही विल जस्ट आस्क की प्रॉब्लम कहाँ है वहाँ पे, जब मॉनिटर करते वो बताएगा कि यार ये तुम्हारा बैंक में यहाँ इश्यू था, इसकी वजह से डिले हो रहा है, एक ही सेकेंड। Why? By relating information, and that is where banking will improve. That is where all money will be well utilized. Every money in the bank will be well utilized. If farmers 5,000 rupees become 10,000, from वहाँ से वो 10,000 रुपये का डबल इनकम है, वो कहाँ इकोनॉमिक अपनी लेके जाएगा। तो दिस इज वेयर आई फील दैट ग्राउंड के प्रॉब्लम को और ग्राउंड से जब देखेंगे ना तो फिर ऊपर को पैसा बनने वाला है। एंड फॉर टू डू दैट टेक्नोलॉजी विल बी द मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट थिंग, बिकॉज गवर्नमेंट चेंज होती रहेगी और लोग भी बदलते रहेंगे, लेकिन अगर टेक्नोलॉजी से सरकार प्रेडिक्ट कर रहे हैं कि भाई हमको अगले 6 महीने में इस महाराष्ट्र में विदर्भ में क्या करना चाहिए, so then it is not about parties and this, it is about technology giving the predictable data for the people. So this is what we are doing. So iStreet becomes arm on a journey. But then आप ये सोचिए इतना सारा डेटा, इतना सारा इंफॉर्मेशन हमको कोरिलेट कर रहे हैं और इतना सारा इंफॉर्मेशन हम इकट्ठा कर रहे हैं, तो इसको सिक्योर होना चाहिए। एंड इसको सिक्योर इस तरह होना चाहिए बिकॉज इट इज नॉट अबाउट व्हेन यू से अस्tra, इट इज वेरी फिक्स थिंग, इट इज अबाउट कंट्रीज information and security. So imagine how deep we are working on security. तो जब हम देश के लिए कर रहे हैं तो ये बाकी सिस्टम और यूज केसेस के लिए कितना सिक्योर करना चाह रहे हैं, तो वो सिक्योरिटी दैट इज वाई कम्स इनटू द प्लेस, while everybody will say follow the process. But आज भी इंडिया में, like for example, मेरी जर्नी देख लीजिए, 14 to 21, I did lot of my personal ways to generate my bill. बट मैं डरता था बिजनेस खोलने के लिए कि इतने सारे टैक्सी करने, ये जैसे अगर आज घाटी की नहीं मिलते तो शायद ईटिंग ही नहीं करता. ये डर लगता है कि ये कौन संभालेगा इधर उधर. बट because I can really play the business game better, I can understand everything better, financial operations सब हो गया, but then taxation and the regulatory is there has to be, and that money, how it is getting utilized is more important. So this is where regulatory comes into picture, and that is why bringing all of them together is what we gave a theme of Sanjeevani of AI, where this is something very unique, where on the world market we are saying AI delivered, while we are creating as a Sanjeevani of AI. Anything on missing? Just give me a second to see the notes. Okay, so just give you the last thing that why I see the Indiastra all this together, because जब तक जहाँ भी हमारी 30-35 साल की जर्नी हुई है, we have seen that हम प्रोडक्ट बेस्ट ऑफ द प्रोडक्ट डिलीवर दे रहे हैं कस्टमर्स को, लेकिन जब वो इंटीग्रेट हो रही है, इम्प्लीमेंट हो रही है, तो या तो स्किल कोई पार्टनर कर रहा है जो प्रॉब्लली मेरे इकोसिस्टम में नहीं है, क्योंकि मेरी स्ट्रेंथ है प्रोडक्ट बनाना, उसकी स्ट्रेंथ है डिलीवर करना, इम्प्लीमेंट करना. तो कई बार हमने बहुत ये गैप देखे जिसकी वजह से या तो कस्टमर एक्सपीरियंस खराब होता था, या तो हमारा पैसा टाइम पे नहीं आता था, या तो प्रोडक्ट का कस्टमर को यूज नहीं होता था. So that is the reason we created this ISP system, where we all were part of this system earlier. We know what are the gaps. We all are expert in our own field. And that is where I am making a triangle where ISP sits on the top. It manages the entire end-to-end journey for the customers. And rest of the organization, let them be free completely to actually build this GenAI journey, because this is going to be huge. It will require a lot of investment. It will require a lot of brains coming together. And not only India, the world brains. Imagine medical में PhDs लगेंगे, agri में PhDs लगेंगे, deep researchers लगेंगे. So and we are in fact preparing ourselves for that journey, because we have all these connects. We have all these people who have worked with us in life, and that is why this center of excellence and ISP journey is going to be very, 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 very unique than what others are saying about AI. So this is what I felt that I should share as. Some of the questions may get answered, but let me just go through if there are something important. Okay, so I think that I want to end it in a way where there are two things. How does shareholder or how does a shareholder see this growth? And probably you can really see how we are moving quarter on quarter. And this is just a start. And I am telling you, these are some of the use cases we are just entry level पे हो रहे हैं. Like बैंकों में एक एप्लीकेशन नहीं है, 200 एप्लीकेशन हमने एक या दो से शुरू किया है. So there are a lot of journey, these revenues and everything will take its own care as long as we are doing the right thing, and you will see the growth. And that is why I am saying that we are going to be unique, and shareholders' interest will be protected. And in fact, of course, you can keep coming back and keep making your money, because हर एक को खाली पैसे की जरूरत भी होती है. So we all will do the same thing as we progress, and you will see the rest in a formal way on the BSE website. I just end with this thought that of course everything is important, and for me life में दो strong believer रहे, which is चाणक्य and शिवा. Because एक जो है कुछ भी दे सकता है, और चाणक्य जो है उसको कैसे भी स्ट्रक्चर करके somebody could write 2000 years back how an organization or country could run, then that is a legend I really want to follow. Of course इसमें भी right and wrong थे वहाँ से अभी तक, बट जो राइट है, जो मैं हमेशा लाइफ में बोलता था कि जब बाहर निकला था कि देखता हूँ कि आदमी को मिलता है इसमें गलत क्या है, सही तो मैं कर ही लूंगा, लेकिन जो गलत है मैं लाइफ में कभी नहीं यूज करूंगा. एंड दैट इज व्हाट आई कीप टेलिंग माय डॉटर ऑल्सो कि जा काम कर, लेकिन जो नहीं करना है देख ले, सो दैट व्हेन यू डू समथिंग यू रियली डू समथिंग नाइस. So this is why I want to end with that my last thought is act at the right time is where we will amplify everything, and this is the right time. And with this, I think I would have covered, but then in an open question, if there is anything which I need to answer, I'll be more than willing to share. And rest of the things, as it gets updated, it will always be officially all are there on BSE website. And I want to continue this way of communicating so that you guys are updated how we are moving in life. But this is our first us back, and then maybe we can start with some series of updates on some series. So thank you. I'm handing over to my moderator.
Thank you very much, sir.
All right. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. Ladies and gentlemen, we will now begin with the question and answer session. Anyone who wishes to ask questions may press star and one on the touchtone phone. If you wish to withdraw yourself from the question queue, you may press star and two. Participants are requested to use only handsets while asking a question. Ladies and gentlemen, we will wait for a moment while the question queue assembles. The first question is from the line of Murthy Ram, an individual investor. Please go ahead.
Thanks, madam. Good afternoon, everyone. Sir, can you provide any guidance for the Q3? And second question, what is the status of the allotment of preferential warrants and shares? Because the fund mobilization is the key. And I request, sir, if any update regarding Indigen Astra, Indigen Labs, like deal with the defense or with the MCDX recently, the updates are only we can find in the LinkedIn forum only. Sir, is it possible to update them in BSE website through Regulation 30, SEBI Regulation 30? These are my questions, sir. Thank you, sir.
One second. So, just to give you answers on first, what was the first answer? Yes, sorry, Murthy, sir, can you just repeat again, just briefly? I got the last two parts. But,
okay, sir. No problem, sir. I can repeat, sir. Sir, can you provide guidance for the Q3, sir, current quarter? And what is the status of the preferential allotment of warrants and shares? Because the fund mobilization is the key, I feel. And third question is, sir, can you provide the update in BSE regarding the deals made by the Indigen Astra and Indigen Labs? Because we can find the updates only in LinkedIn only. Thank you, sir.
Fair. So, okay. So now, I can't get you complete. This is something where the deals where you're working and all, I can't be diverging at this stage on how the revenues get structured and what we'll do. But I can assure you, we are very close to, breaking some of the very, very, very prominent names in this quarter as well. And I take your third suggestion, which we really going to do it, where we will update on whenever there are some significant wins, we'll definitely update on the site. And this is what we had planned also, but we thought that we'll structure it as and when, because at times, when the deal comes in, it needs to be consumed and really recognized when you actually build it. And that is where customer also should not have any objection, because these are all large customers. And we need to take those approvals also, because there can be a public sector bank or whatever, and we don't want to, get into any of this. So we are following all the process. We will get updated, and of course, to assure you, we will do better on the numbers. So that's around it. Sorry, what was that?
Preferential allotment, sir.
Preference warrants, I think you will get updated on the site shortly, because there is a process which we are following from the regulatory, and there are documents being exchanged. And as and when the approval comes in, you will get updated this thing. But yeah, I think we are moving at a pace, and it should happen in a shortest possible time. But we are just hopeful. So as and when it happens, you will be updated.
Okay. Thank you, sir. Thanks so much, sir. Thanks.
Thank you. The next question is from the line of Nikunj Anand, a retail investor. Please go ahead.
Good afternoon. Am I audible?
Yes, sir. Please proceed.
Yeah. Thank you. Good afternoon and congratulations on New Direction, sir. I wanted to ask that the GenAI space is crowded with tech giants and well-funded startups. Could you be very specific about the long-term vision of the management and niche you are targeting?
Yeah, I think I covered, but then probably if detailing you need, then probably I would suggest you can write a mail, but then I'll just go through it. just briefly so that you understand how we are ready. And that's where, and it's the right question because everybody is talking AI, everybody is, bade tech giant is also saying I'll also create AI. But imagine it is in pieces, and it is in pieces where everybody is being expert into something in one zone, And what we are trying to do is assemble those pieces and make it a very predictable in all zones. And just in a simple way, it's like in a personal use case in a life. We have 5 people. If I have to get data from 5 people to get an answer, then I have to listen to those 5 people and not those ordinary 5 people. I have to listen to the best 5 people and then give my answer. So this is where I'm coming to, that if you see some of the resumes, that is the answer itself. And these are not any ordinary people. Imagine Paddy kind of a person who created a core banking system 35 years back along with Sharas. Imagine they are like, I call them OG AI, original AI, कि जो उस वक्त समझ सकता था 30 साल पहले कि how a person will go and buy a banana or an apple or a cigarette by a mobile. And that's where the same core architecture is still running. It is not, imagine मतलब उस time पे transaction कितने होते थे. आज just to give you guys some numbers, we are, as a country, we are doing 60 crore transactions per day. And to get into this kind of predictability, technology में expert बहुत है. There are companies है, but अंदर skill है क्या? But that is where we were lacking. There are big companies who are doing it, but who is doing it now? वो अंदर है कौन? And it's not that they are not experienced people, but of course everybody is creating something which they feel right, but this assembly of people what we gathered to pack it up so well, right from making it predictable with a GenAI or securing the data in a right form, and also making sure, for example, today we both are talking, and we know that, right? हमने घर में भी experience किया, when we are talking something, suddenly we see those ads on Instagram, right? So now, if this starts happening in the business, imagine now what is a security lapse, हम बात कर रहे हो कहीं पे data चला जा रहा है. So that is where we are packing it up in a way where all those large enterprises are doing it, but they are doing it for their own protection. For example, Oracle will build something and they have built something, but they are building it to make sure that database or their surrounding is packed. But use cases wise आप देखोगे, that is where the unique differential is coming from our experience, where we are getting into medical, not with the intent that पैसा तो बन ही जाएगा, but intent is to solve the problem in a way nobody else could. If I have my aging father whose reports are there in my hand, and I know that यही एक process है, but इसको अगले 6 महीने में क्या खाना चाहिए, क्या नहीं खाना चाहिए, वो एक डॉक्टर क्यों बता पाता है, वो एक्सपर्ट क्यों बता पाता है, because he's gone through that experience and skill of many such people. And that is where his skills more and more he gets improved, whether you say वो 30 साल का experience है या उसने 30,000 आदमी लोग के साथ काम किया. That is where age also plays a pattern in our life. So this is where I am going to be unique, or we are going to be unique, where the power is the big people who already created, and they played part in India's Aadhaar system, they played in India's financial system. So that is why I am saying I am going to be unique. And world over we have people who are already connected with us and are working on ML for last few years. So we will create something unique. That's why we are confident.
All right, sir. Thank you. That was very helpful. Can you mention the listed competitors that we have? And I saw that you were talking about AgriTech, which is something really interesting and nobody is working on it. So can you put some light on the opportunity size there?
ऐसा नहीं है, AgriTech में भी लोग काम कर रहे हैं. There are for years people are working. I'm saying we are working in a very unique way where we are not only agri, we are not only this. हम कोई agri नहीं, मैं farmer को देख के बना रहा हूँ. मैं agri को देख के नहीं बना रहा हूँ. So when I say farmer, then agri में बहुत सारे pieces आ जाते हैं. तो अगर मैं medical patient देखता हूँ, patient में medical में बहुत सारे pieces आते हैं. So that is why we are going to be unique here. And revenue competition, ये बन ही रहा है ना. This is going to be a very unique creation of a unicorn of companies, is what I believe. तो ये हमारा, मैं पहले भी ऐसा था कि competition अभी मैं ऐसा मानता हूँ कि 50 कंपटीशन मिलके मेरी कंपनी बन रही है। मेरा कोई कंपटीशन एक जोन में नहीं है। वी आर रियली क्रिएटिंग समथिंग वेरी कलेक्टिव, बट या पीपल विल हैव देयर पीसेस। कोई सिर्फ एग्री में कहीं अपनी लिस्टिंग में कर रहा होगा, कोई कुछ कर रहा होगा, कोई खाली AI में कर रहा होगा, कोई सिस्टम इंटीग्रेशन में कर रहा होगा. So this is what is my answer, but rest probably you can share it over mail if you have further queries.
All right, sir. One last question that I have is about the sources of revenue. Do we have both ARR and product-based, or any one of them, and how much growth can we expect in the coming 2-3 years?
Sorry, just repeat that.
I was just asking about the sources of revenue that we have. Is it only ARR or we have product-based as well? And how much growth can we expect in the coming 2-3 years?
Yeah, so most of these will be, these are all predictable ARR businesses which I was running, and this is how it is pitching as a ARR. And there will be various growth paths we'll have to incorporate with more investment, whether it becomes a system, we will require a system integration, we will require various other things. So we will keep updating, but right now this is what it is. I think next caller, because I think you have more questions, you can send a mail. And I think we have sort of time also, so that's very good time.
Thank you for your time, sir.
Thank you, sir. We'll take the next question from the line of Abhishek Agarwal from Gems Quest. Please go ahead.
Yeah, hi. Thank you for taking my question. My question is basically with respect to our business model. I've heard whatever you said, so I'm just trying to think around if we'll collaborate so many things from so many different sources, we'll have so much of data that will, integrate with our systems and then maybe provide a output or a solution. So who will basically own this data and, all of this set of, combination of data and sets and all of this, and then will provide a solution. So who will own this data and solution part of it?
Data. See, it is not owning of this data. This is data available which we are gathering, and then we are, whatever is the predictable data available, for example, weather data मिलता है, correct? For example, you get data मिलता है, soil card होते हैं. तो ये सब data already structured है. मुझे कुछ बनाना नहीं है. मैं वहाँ से सब source लेके आपको predictable दे रहा हूँ. तो जहाँ नहीं है sources, वहाँ पे sources बना रहे. कि और एक source लगेगा just to pull that data. That's all.
Sure. And also on Indigen and Indie Extra side of business, so we have MOUs. So how will we book our revenues? I mean, will this be on a sharing basis or how will that?
These are strategic partnerships. So it's not about revenue only. It is about strategic partnership, about who does what to make sure that the entire customer journey is protected and delivered in the best form. Whether ये product से only product से होने वाली चीज नहीं है. It requires lot of integration. Whether services also will be a key, because AI, आपको पता है AI में सब बातें कर रहे हैं. Why the reason things are not moving is because you have AI specialist engineers are lacking. Everyone is doing something, but they need to be very deep, and that is why I've got mentors who can actually get the best team around. So this is all. I just thought all this.
Sure. Thank you so much and wish you all the very best.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. We'll take the next question from the line of Jaimik Shah from Dira Investments. Please go ahead.
Hello, sir. First of all, congratulations for this extra new journey, and I'm wishing you best of luck. Only thing, sir, what I'm concerned is that nowadays AI is totally a buzzword. I am seeing everywhere, everyone is using the AI. What my question is, sir, how our company can differentiate with this AI? And you are telling that you are going to tie up with banks and defense and NCDX and everything, right? So how they going to trust our AI-based system? Like, वो लोग कितने बड़े-बड़े ट्रांजेक्शन होते हैं, तो वो लोग हमको कैसे ऑथोराइजेशन देंगे या फिर हम उनको कैसे हेल्प कर सकेंगे? That I am eager to know how they are relying on us, because data is a very, personal, confidential thing. तो वो लोग हमें क्यों शेयर करेंगे and how they are going to use our technology, sir?
Correct. So good question. I think I wanted to touch upon. So practically क्या हो रहा है ना, then data classification is a big thing happening today. For example, आपके और मेरे आधार के प्रूफ है ना, 50 ईमेल आईडी में घूम रहे हैं. हमने कितनी जगह भेज दिया है, पता नहीं कौन यूज कर रहा है, कौन नहीं कर रहा है. करेक्ट. and whether हमारे duplication में कुछ काम हो रहा है. This is a simplest example where classifying the real data and also share is very important कि कैसे share होना है. Through a best regulatory method, what is right and what is not right, and how to consolidate this and then start working on this. So this is where I feel कुछ जो है regulatory और इसके बीच में जो सही है वही सब data available है वो आने ही वाला है. For example, Aadhaar data available for everyone, but उसके कितने बने, क्या बना, उसका solution क्या है? We have the mind to how to solve it. But ये सारा classify करने का सब जगह काफी project चल रहा है. क्योंकि as Indian जो अपना population में one is lot of migrations have taken place, and at the same time lot of personal data is moving in the world. तो वहाँ पे काफी कंपनियां काम कर रही, but हम ये predict कर रहे हैं कि हम इसके अंदर this is just a piece of what we are providing. So this will also be taken care into this, and we will do this. And just because some of the businesses like आज मुझे ये technology वाला हो गया, but for example a business which is let's say a jewelry business or a diamond business, अब उसमें धंधा कैसा होता है? आप लोग को पता है कि ये मार्केट में ऐसा धंधा होता है. Let's say anybody who is doing a diamond or a jewelry business, ऐसे से धंधा होता है. ये मेरे कस्टमर है, ये मेरे रेगुलर कस्टमर है, ये मेरे नए कस्टमर है. आज फेस्टिवल है तो ऐसा दिखेगा. ये एक ट्रेंड है, और ट्रेंड को अगर मैं प्रेडिक्ट करूँ कि पैसा अगले 6 महीने में ये इतनी सारी औरतें 50,000 डायमंड लेने वाली है. क्यों लेगी? क्योंकि ये सारे फेस्टिवल्स में देख रहा हूँ, इतनी सारी शादियाँ देख रहा हूँ, इतना सारा मैं ये देख रहा हूँ, सब जगह सेलिब्रेशन देख रहा हूँ. तो तुम तैयार हो जाओ, बहुत बिकने वाला है. तो ये लेने के लिए मुझे क्या करना है? ये डेटा लेने के लिए, ये डेटा लेने के लिए मेरे पास काफी कुछ सिस्टम है. कुछ टेक्नोलॉजी ऑल्सो इट कैन कम. कुछ बिलिंग वाले मिल जाएंगे, जैसे अनबिल्ड वाले तो भाई भगवान जाने, लेकिन बिलिंग वाले मिलेंगे. लेकिन रियल यूजर से भी डेटा मिलेगा. हर घर में जब डेटा जाता है, कुछ होता है, दैट इज नॉट गेटिंग, आई एम नॉट गेटिंग पर्सनल स्पेस, बट एटलीस्ट आई एम कलेक्टिंग ये सारे ज्वेलरी शॉप मिलकर क्या बेच रहे, कैसे बेच रहे, कहाँ जा रहा है, क्यों बढ़ रहा है, कहाँ वो ज्यादा हो रहा है, कहाँ कम हो रहा है. I'm just giving a small example. So your business will amplify this. So this is what we are trying to predict, that not only business but personal, whether it is medical, emergency, everywhere it should be of use. And money or the revenue will depend on how important is that use case. That is why I am coming to the point that important use case पे काम करना जरूरी है. AI तो सब कुछ कर रहे हैं, but what is that most priority 10 things which needs to be worked on?
Okay. So sir, you gave me an answer to the correlated parties, जैसे कि ज्वेलर्स हो गया, ये हो गया, ठीक है ना. My question was regarding the big banks and the institutions and defense that agreement that you were talking on the social medias. और आप जो ज्वेलरी वाला बोल रहे हो ना, that's basically in IT terms it's demand forecasting and predictive modeling, ठीक है. तो predictive modeling and demand forecasting तो Microsoft का Copilot in pennies, in $10 में भी सर वो दे रहा है. You just feed a data to their systems and based on the past data it would generate the price and promo simulation models, और उसके बेस में अगले 6 महीने में कैसा कर देगा ना, वो $10 में सर वो प्रिडिक्ट कर रहा है. And if you see the data, the accuracy is 99% of the data. तो फिर कोई हमारे पास iStreet के पास क्यों आएगा? Because just the thing you are talking about कि 6 महीने के बाद प्रिडिक्ट कर देगा, ठीक है. In IT terms it's predictive modeling and demand forecasting. From the uses of the root cause analysis, इसका एनालिसिस होता है कि कहाँ पे क्या है, फिर वो प्राइस पॉइंट्स डिसाइड होते हैं, वहाँ पे प्रोमो टेक्निक्स लगती है और वो प्रिडिक्ट कर लेता है. So this is only costing sir $10 on the date from the Microsoft Copilot. If you just feed the messy data into that, it will give you businessful insights in less than 24 hours. तो वो iStreet कैसे यहाँ पे हेल्प करेगा when there are so much big competitors in the market and they're having good systems, they're having huge data sets, they're buying the data from the companies like Nielsen, Kantar, IRI, which are the data providers. So then why iStreet?
Sorry, Jamie, we are sort of tired. तेरा क्वेश्चन में तू खुद ही आंसर दे रहा है. यू आर गिविंग द सेम क्वेश्चन ऑल्सो. आई एम ओनली सेइंग if you want to have some detailing and description, you can write it and we will provide all the answers.
For sure, sir.
Company कैसे, what we are creating, company में क्या हो रहा है every day. I cannot be telling people what I am doing. You cannot tell me, because there are things which we are structuring which require a lot of power, that I am getting this because there is a best of the breed people coming out together, whether from financial side, whether from technology side, whether from insurance side, whether from governance side. When I am saying this is happening, अब ये क्या देंगे? अगर ये भी गलत देंगे तो $10 पे इनका सजेशन में $10 में बेचना है तो मैं वो आदमी नहीं हूँ. मैंने पूरे लाइफ I have sold best of the breed solution and I know what value it should attract. अगर कोई ₹10 में बेचेगा सेम चीज, I know I will connect few dots to it and make sure that it gets sold because I am giving power to that solution. So that is my strength. If you have more questions and technology depth, then probably you can ask on the investor relations side, mail ID, and then you will get an answer. Huh?
For sure. Yeah. Thank you for your time. Yeah.
Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, we'll take the last question for today, which is from the line of Kruti Sevanti Doshi, an individual investor. Please go ahead.
Good afternoon, sir.
Please proceed, ma'am.
हमने डाइल्यूशन काफी बड़ा किया है क्योंकि करंट इक्विटी के मुकाबले काफी सारा है, तो उसको आगे जाके रेवेन्यू के बेस पे और पेट के बेस पे हम जस्टिफाई कर पाएंगे, और 3 या 4 साल में हमारा विजन कितना बड़ा है, क्या उस पर कुछ फोकस करेंगे सर?
ये सर ऐसा है ना, यू विल सी हाउ वी आर प्रोग्रेसिंग बिकॉज आज ये स्टेज में यू आर सीइंग हाउ वी आर मूविंग. मैं saying that what is the 3-4 year road plan में इतना कुछ एग्जीक्यूट किया है वगैरह, that is usually obviously requires that power and how we will reach group. Yeah, Kruti. I am Rakesh Bharti, managing director, and he'll answer around this. Kruti, can you hear my voice?
Yes.
Yes, it was lower little, sir.
So promoters also contributing, promoters investing in the company. If you see the correspondence which you have already published in the business side, so both the promoters are investing money in this also, right? And that's why we are raising this fund, not without dilution. I'm saying that because of that, in future that we are going a journey as a Uttam Dave is explained about all the vision that which has seen right now. So that for that we need a lot of infrastructure. So we are investing in the company. We are not diluting the company.
अभी करंट इक्विटी पे हम लोग डाइल्यूशन इक्विटी को पकड़ते तो ऑलमोस्ट मार्केट के 1000 करोड़ के आसपास आ गया, तो उसको रिवेन्यू बेस पे और पेट के बेस पे हम लोग जस्टिफाई कर पाएंगे?
बिल्कुल कर पाएंगे ना, क्यों नहीं कर पाएंगे, क्योंकि देयर इज अ स्टार्टिंग जर्नी राइट नाउ. इफ यू सी इन द पास्ट ईयर ऑफ द कंपनी देयर वाज नथिंग कंपनी, a non-operation company. When we started from the I think from the July in the month of April, you can see this only we started the company. Okay. So no company can be built in 1 month or 2 months.
That's correct. That's why I asked for vision for 3 or 4 years.
It's a long journey. I would say, me and Uttam Dave can say, this company we are going to run till our end of the day.
Great. Thank you.
So we are putting hard work, hard money also in this thing, and we are putting our vision also in the company.
Yes. Thanks.
So there is no dilution. There is no dilution. In future, we are going to invest more money in the company.
Okay.
Any questions?
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
That was the last question for today's con call. On behalf of iStreet Network Limited, that concludes this conference. Thank you for joining us, and in case of any further queries, please reach out to iStreet Network Limited's Investor Relations team at investor@istreetnetwork.com. I repeat, investor@istreetnetwork.com. Ladies and gentlemen, you may now disconnect your lines. Thank you, members of the management.